back at Pickwick with the Tropics. I am on a 2-game losing streak and I plan on ending that tonight. Playing the Phantoms. I've been really slow. I've noticed my reaction timing has been really slow. I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I have 15 minutes before I have to get on the ice. I gotta catch a really good stretch before the game. I haven't really been getting a good warm-up before the games. That I'm kind of blaming the last 2 games on that. Make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm gonna throw the GoPros up in the net. Hopefully they don't get whacked this time. The last 2 games they've been getting whacked. I gotta do a better job in the net. The last game, I don't know what happened. I don't fully blame myself. I think I could have saved maybe 2 of those goals. If you haven't seen it, it's my last video. It was an embarrassing time for me and for the boys. Really wasn't a good turnout for any of us. Also, Beer League Bender is back. He'll be playing with us tonight. Well, that'll be fun. I hung out with him last night. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the ice. We just scored, it's 1-0. 14 minutes and 20 seconds left in the first period.
Oh my God. Yeah. That guy was in the crease.
There's no way that was a goal. He was in the crease.
Dude, where do you use your fucking shoulder, bro? That's how you make saves with your armpit, Jet.
That's hit my blocker went in. We just scored to make it 2-1. 1 minute left in the first period.
You gotta let me know if someone's behind me. I'm retarded. You gotta let me know.
Alright.
Alright?
I thought you knew.
Don't think. Alright?
I was staring at you like, what are you doing, man? Just get rid of it.
Just let me know. Just tell me. I'm waiting for you to tell me.
None of us do that too.
Yeah, I'll start screaming at you guys. I've been kind of lazy. Just staring at you guys. EA Sports, it's in the game.
EA Sports, it's in the game.
We just scored, it's 3-1. 19 minutes left in the second period. We just scored to make it 4-2. 13 minutes left in the second period. We just scored. It's 5-2. 6 minutes left in the first period. I don't know, honestly. It went back door.
Saving my ass.
I was like, should I rip this out and let you have it?
I was trying to get it with.
I was trying to let you have it and also shoot it at the same time. I couldn't make up my mind.
Stick, you know?
We scored to make it 6-3. On the power play, 17 minutes left in the third period. That one just died.
Camera's looking good. Let's use that dick jet.
Oh, I thought he was going back door.
Take it off, boys.
We just scored to make it 7-4. 1 minute left in the third period. You want it, Brian? You put vodka in it? That'd be so hard if it was vodka.
Full
Man.
of vodka, you wouldn't see shit.
I wouldn't see anything. What, this game? Oh, it was fine.
Game I played, but Kramer got stuck. He's like, don't make him lose his fucking mind.
This ref?
The whole
No, I know.
Correct.
It was
High school train wreck.
It was yeah, he is. But it was a fun game. He did all right. Nothing crazy. All right, Brian. See you, man.